Cut the chicken into cubes and sauté in a pan with some oil until it changes color. Add finely chopped onion, bell pepper, and carrot, and sauté. Add sliced mushrooms and sauté for 5 minutes. Add tomato paste, salt, and spices listed in the description, and sauté. Then add the cooked chickpeas and sauté. Then add half cup of boiling water, cover, and let it cook for 5 minutes. For the sauce, melt the butter in a saucepan and add the flour, then sauté. Then add the cold milk and keep stirring until it thickens and boils. Add salt, pepper, and spices, and stir for a short time. Then remove from heat. Place the chicken mixture in a baking dish, then pour the sauce over it, and finally sprinkle some mozzarella or pizza cheese on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius until the cheese turns golden brown.